This video presents a step-by-step guide on leveling the bed of your Cocoon Create 3D printer. This is the most important step to make sure your prints print accurately and correctly every time. It is important to ensure the heated print bed is level and set to approximately 0.1 millimeter distance from the extruder nozzle prior to printing. With the printer initialized, press the dial to enter the menu system. Rotate the dial until position is highlighted, then press the dial to select. Rotate until Z position fast is highlighted, then press select. Rotate the dial clockwise, raising the extruder so you can easily access the heated print bed. Turn off your 3D printer. Check the Z axis level. The X rail should be parallel to the heated print bed. If it is not, manually rotate the right-hand side Z axis stepper motor to level it. Squeeze each corner of the heated print bed and tighten each wing nut to reduce the distance between the plates to a minimum. Wipe the top of the heated print bed with a clean, lint-free cloth to ensure no dust particles or other objects are on the surface. Turn on the 3D printer using the switch on the back of the control box. Navigate to and select Position, Home, All. The printer will return to the home position on the front left corner of the heated print bed. Once aligned, turn off the 3D printer. With the printer powered off, manually move the extruder to one corner of the heated print bed to check the distance between these components. Rotate the wing nut to raise the heated print bed. A good distance is 0.1 millimeters, and it will allow you to move a sheet of paper with slight friction between the extruder and heated print bed. Move the extruder to each of the other corners and repeat the process. Move the extruder to the center of the heated print bed and test the gap with a sheet of paper. Keep adjusting and testing all corners and center until the proper gap is present on all points. The heated print bed should now be level. We want to make sure you get the best experience with your Cocoon Create 3D printer. If you are still having trouble with your 3D printer, contact us on 1-300-663-907 or email customercare@winplus.com.au. Purchase Cocoon Create filament and other accessories at cocooncreate.com.au.